Example problem 7 reads, what is the volume of a liquid whose mass is 4 milligrams and density is 1.07 grams over milliliters? The problem's told us that the mass is 4.0 milligrams. It's also told us that the density is 0.107 grams per milliliter. It's asking us for the volume. And so the formula for density is density equals mass over volume, where density is measured in units of grams per milliliter, mass is measured in units per grams, and volume is measured in units per milliliter. We'll have to convert milligrams to grams to be in the correct units for mass. So we're going from something with a prefix to a base unit, and that makes this a one-step conversion. So 4.0 milligrams, draw your multiplication symbol, draw your division bar, bring milligrams to the bottom, and bring grams to the top. Give the 1 to the thing with the prefix and the metric system constant for milli to our base unit, which is grams. So you can see where grams cancels out. And in your calculator, you'll write 4 times 1 e to the minus 3. And that will equal 0.004 grams. And so now we're ready to calculate the volume. So density, 0.107 grams per milliliter equals 0.004 grams divided by X for volume. Remember, the trick for calculating something in the denominator is just to switch positions with what is on the equal sign, or what is on the other side of the equal sign. So the problem then becomes X equals 0.004 grams divided by 0.107 grams per milliliter. Now you can see where grams cancels and we're left in milliliters. So in your calculator, you'll write 0.004 divided by 0.107, and that will equal a volume of 0.037 milliliters. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions about example problem 7.